This court is called to order. The case of A.S. Mittal and another versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others is now in session. Please proceed with your arguments.
Your Honor, may it please the court, we are here today to address the grievous mishap that occurred at an eye camp in Khurja, Uttar Pradesh, organized under the auspices of the Lion Club and with the permission of the state government. The unfortunate events resulted in irreversible damage to the eyes of numerous patients who sought treatment at the camp. It has been established that the mishap was caused by a common contaminating source, namely the normal saline used during the surgical procedures. Our primary concern is whether the state guidelines governing such medical camps were adequate to safeguard the well-being of the patients, particularly those from disadvantaged backgrounds.
Your Honor, while we acknowledge the tragic consequences of the incident at eye camp, we maintain that the state guidelines in place at the time were reasonably comprehensive. However, we recognize the need for continuous improvement in ensuring the safety and well-being of patients in such medical settings. Furthermore, we emphasize that appropriate legal action has been initiated against those responsible for the negligence as evidenced by the criminal case filed against Dr. R.M. Sahai and his team. We assure the court of the state's commitment to upholding medical standards and providing necessary assistance to the affected individuals.
Having considered the submissions made by the parties and the relevant legal precedents, this court finds that while the state guidelines in place at the time of the incident may have been adequate, there is always room for improvement in ensuring the safety of patients, particularly in vulnerable communities. It is hereby ordered that the state government and the organizers of the eye camp shall strictly adhere to revised guidelines for the conduct of such medical camps as issued by the central government. Additionally, the state government is directed to provide further financial assistance to the victims of the mishap as a gesture of humanitarian relief.